Hey guys, been working on the car since afternoon. I relocate a battery tender female all the way to the back of the bumper right here. So all I have to do is unblock it, speak it, and it used to sit on the back of the engine, so you have to run the wire like through the quarter panel to get into the female berry tenders over here. So now I rerun the female all the way to the back of the bumper. So now all I have to do is plug it in when I'm not driving, so the wire doesn't kind of lay on the quarter panel. On the vendor doors is on the back, and on the Hurricane it's on the front, and I did that on the Hurricane also, so it's cleaner and no wire touching the body. And I also did the wing. Not sure if I like the wing though, so I just have to get used to it, I guess. Otherwise we'll have to eventually get the other style. I just don't like how this wing kind of come out too much to the back. I like it to tuck in more. So I was playing with it all day but I couldn't find the right way to make me happy. So right now it has to be probably just sit there for now. And then next would be suspension. On the back right here looks good. Looks good right here. But on the side, not sure. Okay, let's call it a night. Right now it's like around 11 o'clock, and the car's really loud, so I'm gonna move it quick into the garage so I don't have to piss off my neighbor. I mean, even though they're really nice people, but try to not to make them mad.